If you're looking to disable automatic restrictions on Spotify, follow these simple steps to regain full access to your music experience. Step 1. Open Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu. This can usually be found by tapping on the gear icon or selecting Settings from the menu options. Step 3. Find Playback Settings. Scroll through the settings until you find the Playback section. This is where you can manage various playback options, including restrictions. Step 4. Disable explicit content restrictions. Look for the option related to explicit content or automatic restrictions. Toggle the setting to disable any restrictions that may be in place. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save any changes if prompted. Exit the settings menu and return to your music to enjoy unrestricted access. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on Spotify and enjoy your favorite tracks without limitations.